This is a great little hidden gem up here. Someone made this sculpture park out of all the stones. So today I'm gonna take you on a walk uptown around 181st area by the George Washington Bridge. There's a cool little sculpture park over here in the water. I don't know how much graffiti we're actually gonna see today, but I'll poke around. It's cool, it's cool to walk around up here sometimes. It's a really nice day. Yesterday it was 30 degrees and it was below, it was like below freezing, and today it's like close to 50 degrees, so check out some stuff. What'd you find? Yeah, this is incredible. Whoever did this. Oh, there it is. It's up there. Whoa. Oh yeah, I almost slipped. This is famous old rickety bridge. They rehabilitated it. See, they made the floor real secure. It used to have like holes in it. It's a really old sign. So this whole trail is fairly new. I'd say 2013 or 14 they opened it up. This dock was always here, but it was like a super sketchy dock. Now it's called the Inwood Canoe Club. They do free kayaking, I think on Sundays in the summertime. It's pretty cool. I did it once. It's really great to have this here. But seeing the whole transformation of this area was kind of crazy. I mean, I've heard crazy stories from writers, from just local people about that dock. But I'm not gonna repeat other people's stories. So they opened this bike trail, pedestrian trail, and it makes it enjoyable to come down here and walk around. So they got this here for like the guys come down here to go fishing. It's a popular spot. Surprised there's no one here right now. I mean, obviously, because probably it's too cold, but still. So they got the grill. They're probably cooking food. I mean, yeah, they actually make an effort to keep this place clean as well. It's kind of cool. They built their own little dock here. The chain link fence would come to an end, and then you could just pop out into the tracks. And there were so many pieces that were like really, really dope. Like really clean pieces. Like it wasn't cluttered like how it is now. I'm not saying that in a bit negative way. It's obviously become a popular spot. But there was like, if I was to recite the pieces, I remember Noah TFP, Mickey TFP, who else? Stack, Cento had a ton of pieces. And that was really it. There was some other like newer guys. I remember walking from the bridge, and this bike path was under construction. It wasn't finished yet. And it was just like a dirt path. There was like construction, bulldozers, whatever. And my intentions were to, you on the other side of the tracks, you could kind of shimmy in. You could shimmy in and out of the woods. At some point, you actually got to jump down into the tracks, but it's not a good idea. So you jump back into the woods, or you could come over to this side and walk on the dirt trail. This fence wasn't here, and I don't know. It was one of those mornings. I think I drank way too much caffeine, which is very common. I got super excited, and I was just like on this mission. And it was like fall time, because I remember there was like leaves all over the ground. And I seen dudes walking on the trail that I'm walking on now. That was just a dirt path, and I'm like, this trail is a dirt trail. I know the both ways were closed. Well, the one way in was closed. There is no other way. It's a dead end. And these two guys are walking, and I'm thinking it's either the cops, because this is along the water. I'm not going to get into what they would come down here for, but it's not uncommon. You have cops rolling up on people down here. And I'm thinking like, shit, they know, or they're going to see me. So I lay down in the weeds. I'm laying down in the weeds, like, and I'm actually starting to cover myself with leaves, because I'm like, all right, I'm going to be here for a while. It's going to like lay dead. Because I think it was real quiet. You could hear people ruffling around if there were, it's close enough. And it just turns out to be two dudes. I watch them. They sit down on the rock, and they start doing what they do. Two dudes in the woods, and I'm just like, oh man. I see that a lot too in these woods and these spots, but to each their own. Whatever. And I just got up and I kept walking. I think I even waved at one point. Yeah. I mean, I could tell you a story about every section of woods in Uptown in the Bronx. Really a nice day though. It went from being really cold, and like by the hour I'm stripping off layers. I already got my gloves off. This fencing was a little easier to go up to. You can see some of the pieces on the wall. Probably within the next week or so, we're gonna do a video from the Palisades, from the cliffs. There's some cool stuff over there. A little further north though. So I don't know if I'm gonna like do a whole hiking thing or what, but it's definitely cool stuff over there.